a job that West Coast Sound Solutions is doing on 188 King Street in San Francisco. The office building is having problems with reflections off the ceiling. West Coast Sound Solutions is going to eliminate these reflections by installing acoustic clouds.
We began the installation by measuring the ceiling to determine the best placements for the wave foam. We then marked out the spacing and glued brackets to the ceiling. Circle screws were screwed in on the corners of the wave foam and connected to the wire hanging from the ceiling. The wave foam was installed from wall to wall on the ceiling, and absorption panels were wrapped in fabric and were installed on the walls. The room looks so much better, and my voice demonstrates the acoustic improvements in the following clips.
Here we are after the install. The room sounds much better, and as you can tell, it looks much better as well. I'm Steven from West Coast Sound Solutions.